Desarie Joy Evelo, and welcome to Radiant Joy Yoga and Fitness. Here you'll find gentle yoga flows, chair and senior friendly practices, fusion fitness, and fun dance low impact cardio. Every class is designed with progressions, thoughtful modifications, use of props, clear guidance, and an emphasis on kindness and compassion. Movement should be something you enjoy, not endure. So whether you're brand new to fitness, coming back after a long break, or just looking for a community or an environment that's more uplifting and empowering, this is the right place for you. So let's take a deep breath and get ready to move joyfully. Hit subscribe, click the bell so you never miss a class.